Hello everybody and welcome. Today I have a big announcement to make. After making tons of videos about chord progression techniques, the moment is finally here. My best course so far, Chord Progression Breakthrough, is live. If you're in need of a creativity boost, or if you're just sick and tired of getting stuck in those same old patterns and just repeating yourself, then stick around. You've probably been there. You sit down at your instrument, excited to create something new. But then you find yourself playing the same old patterns, the same 4 chords, the same progressions you've used 100 times before. When will you be released from boring chord progression prison? Desperately trying to break free, you've been watching countless YouTube tutorials and feel empowered when you finish. But when you try to apply what you've learned, nothing seems to work out. So here's the truth, or at least my truth. A lot of music education focuses on complex theory without showing you how to apply it creatively. You end up with all these separate pieces of knowledge and not knowing how to connect it and put it all together. Music theory by itself does not make creative music. That's your task. And that's exactly why I created Chord Progression Breakthrough. This all-inclusive course will teach you 10 powerful chord progression tricks that you can apply to your own music, no matter the style or genre. Here are some course highlights. If you're looking for that satisfying cinematic sound or ambiguous Radiohead vibe, check out the chapters Chromatic Major-Minor Relationships and Chromatic Mediants. Or check out one of music history's oldest techniques called pedal points for writing epic music and music that defies the laws of time. But what if you're a songwriter who wants to add more theatrical elements to their music? Then dip your toes into the chapters inserting foreign chords and tension and variation principles. Or maybe you want to go for some extra surprise. Well, then the easiest techniques from this course will not let you down. You can check out the chapters Parallel Chords, Moving Bass Techniques and the Power of Swapping Chord Genders. Surprise guaranteed. These are just some highlights, but there are many more creative chord progression chapters for you to choose from. Plus, you get 2 bonus sections, one about melody writing and the other one about creative chord voicing techniques. So I dare to say that this is not just some standard harmony course. All of the techniques are meant to remove your creative limitations. If you want to break boundaries in your composing and songwriting, then this course is for you. And the best part? You don't need to be a music theory expert to use these chord progression techniques. Each lesson breaks down complex concepts into small, understandable and actionable steps that you can immediately apply to your music. If you've seen some of my tutorials before, then you know that I like to keep things simple and as clear as possible. So no endless fluff, no excess music theory, no nonsense. Chord Progression Breakthrough focuses on the actual doing. I want you to be able to apply these chord progression techniques to your music immediately. Every lesson comes with clear and bite-sized videos, downloadable exercise to build up your skills. All the examples have notes, guitar tabs and MIDI, so everybody can follow along. And there's a flexible learning path, so you can choose to start at chapter 1 or chapter 10, whatever you like. Whether you're a beginner just learning your first chords or an experienced musician looking for fresh inspiration, this course meets you where you are and takes you where you want to go. It doesn't matter what instrument you play or what genre music you are in. These techniques will transform your approach to writing chord progressions. I guarantee it. Imagine writing chord progressions that express exactly what you feel. Progressions that have your signature sound. That's what Chord Progression Breakthrough will help you achieve. Let these techniques take you into unknown territory. Don't waste another day struggling with those same old patterns. Join me in Chord Progression Breakthrough today and let's get creative.